In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to Clickfunnels contacts. Tags are one of the simplest but most powerful ways to organize and segment your audience inside Clickfunnels. Once you start using them, it becomes much easier to send targeted emails, trigger automations, and keep track of who's who in your contact list. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add tags to your contacts step by step, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, log into your Clickfunnels account and head over to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Contacts in that left sidebar. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to your primary contacts area, where you can see a list of everyone who has opted in or interacted with your funnels. Once you're on the contacts page, take a moment to scan the list. You'll notice that each contact has a little checkbox next to their name. To add tags, you'll need to select the contacts you want to update. Click the checkbox next to a specific contact or select multiple checkboxes if you want to tag several people at the same time. This is really handy when you're organizing a new segment or cleaning up a list after a campaign. After you've selected your contact or group of contacts, look for the Actions area. This might appear as a drop-down menu or a toolbar, depending on your version of Clickfunnels. In that Actions section, find and click on Tag, or click the tag-shaped icon if you see one. This tells Clickfunnels that you're about to add or manage tags for the contacts you just selected. A field will appear where you can type your tag. Click into that field and start typing the name of the tag you want to apply. As you type, you might see existing tag suggestions appear. You can choose one of those to keep your tagging consistent, or type a completely new tag name if you're creating something fresh. When you're done typing the tag name, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm it. Finally, look for the button that says Perform Tag Action. Click that button to save and apply the tag to your selected contacts. This is the step that actually updates their profiles, so don't skip it. Once it's done, your contacts will now have that tag attached, and you can use it in your funnels, broadcasts, and automations going forward.